What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Miss MC. Let's get it. Let's go. Got a new, I wouldn't say new, but maybe new to y'all. This program right here, or this app, I should say. Oh, in the background, I got the game, the finest game going on right now. Saints Row 2. So go cop that if you don't got it, or go get it again, because I already had it before. You know, just come join. I'm just mellowed, right now, so I don't feel like stretching it out, getting in detail. Just showing y'all exactly what I do. I might come here. Hit these PTCs real quick. I'm glad to sleep, man. I'm glad to sleep, So boom. So you doing PTCs off a phone, so off the app if you PTC type of person, but you don't get like the real feel of the PTCs like you will, or like you would at a actual PTC website, because they give you like 12 to, I seen 100 of them, so maybe 50, 30 to 50. So, but I know it's more than this. You get about like 5 ads to view and stuff, and that's ads, advertisement, ads for short. And once you're done, it'll pop up right here. Where'd you get them shoes? Yeah, that's the game, but yeah, it pop up. And mainly how I make my bread is this. Come here, download, boom, pop up here, boom, start making money. So they got the Bitcoin. For some reason, they had PayPal, but I don't know, they got rid of it. But I'm gonna have the cryptocurrency wallet referral down there too. So you're gonna need a specific cryptocurrency wallet if you don't already have it. It's called Coinbase. So cashed out 2 times already. Come on, let's go. Well, it's time to get back into the game. The crew want us to, go do some stuff, man. You know how Saints Row 2 is if you played it before. Yeah, that's basically it, man. I mean, that's how I make the bread. And also, I hit rewards videos and I do these little scratch and wins. That's how you get some more points. So once it's done, you just hit the little X box. Not the actual system, but you hit the little button, the little box right here. Some reason it ain't. All right, there we go. And you just keep scratching. But I ain't going to hit claim, because I don't want to see another ad. So I'm about to get ready to wrap it up. But come join another app. You can make money. If you join once you join under my link, using my link below the description, I was basically gonna say, when you join, your link might have, your app might have PayPal and Bitcoin. So just let you know, it's your boy. I'm out of here. Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. Come join. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. My email will be below the description. Let's get it. You keep asking that. I got some nice kicks on in the game. But go ahead and get that game, man. And no, I'm not sponsored by them, but hey, I should be. Go on here, hit me up, bro. Actually, man, y'all need to make more of a Saints Row like Saints Row 1 and 2 again, man. I ain't gonna lie, the other ones suck to me. I wouldn't say they suck, but I ain't really like them. They alright. 1 and 2 is classic, the best ones. But I'm up out of here, though. Come join. Nah, for real. Come join. Because a lot of y'all just don't join, especially with my link. Y'all just join. Use my link.